Hey, welcome guys. This is John from Palm Beach Customs, and I'm here with my good friend Bud Gallup. And today's post is not your average car. We have a 1972 32-foot Wesque built in Martha's Vineyard. They actually built, I think 20 of these models, right?
Roughly 20.
Yeah, roughly 20. They used to be a wooden boat, and was built, as a wooden boat on the vineyard, and the owner had some requests for it, so they did a fiberglass mold out of it. And this was actually the Coast Guard's 001, right?
001.
001, Martha's Vineyard, Coast Guard. So this boat came from New England here, and it's in Florida. Bud spent a lot of time on it, and he just basically started off with a bare hull. Everything up on the top, you can see, is all new. He is all hand built, all the woodwork with epoxy, and you can see we just installed the new windows in the front, just a blank for the back now. They got the new rub rail on. But this was all this from the top deck above is all brand new. You can see the woodwork up in the cockpit and everything, and the front windows he installed. Everything was done heavy duty. Here's the stern of the boat. And kind of reminds me of, like, one of those main fishing trawlers. Probably where they got the original design. It has diesel Cummins 6-cylinder and just a single prop. I'm going to walk up here and give you a little bit of the interior. Don't mind the mess. Just built an engine cover there. Just going to show you how everything looks up top. That's all mahogany. Every piece. There's not really a straight line on the whole boat. Everything is curved. And Bud did all the work himself. And it's it's running now. And probably another few hundred hours of detail work to finish it up, and a couple more coats of paint. But at this point here, she's all locked in and looking good. It's actually ready for a trip to New England. It's going from Ocala to Rhode Island, and Bud's got a job out in Boston, and he's going to tinker with it in New England over the summer. And just thought you'd like to see something pretty cool. And I would say probably, my guess is well over 2,500 man hours so far to this point. So make it a great day. This is John from Palm Beach Customs. We'll see you on the next post, and you can go down and click the link, and you'll come on the website, and you'll see a bunch of project pictures we're going to add to this post as it goes, and feel free to share it. It's pretty cool, and we'll continue on. Thanks for watching. Take care.